Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change download folder in Chrome. To start, we open Chrome. Then we click on the menu and select Settings. After that, we are going to go to the Downloads section. Here we click Change. Now we define the new path where the downloads will be saved. Click Select Folder. To validate that it works, you can download something from Chrome and then validate in that path that the download is available there. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.